If you love handmade gifts, this video is for you. Today I'll show you two easy crochet bookmarks, a heart bookmark and a flower bookmark, that beginners can make in one sitting. These bookmarks are perfect for students, book lovers, journals, planners, or even gifting someone special. Moreover, they are very easy to make. For both bookmarks you'll need any yarn, a crochet hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. I'll keep everything beginner friendly. Let's start with the crochet heart bookmark. This one is perfect for Valentine's Day, handmade gifts, or daily reading. We'll begin with a slip knot. Now insert the hook into the loop. Keep your tension relaxed. After crocheting 2 to 3 times, you will be able to make your perfect heart bookmark. Now chain 5. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch and make a slip stitch, creating a ring with a center hole. Chain 3. Three double crochet into the center hole. Now make 3 half double crochet into the center hole. Now make 1 double crochet stitch into the center hole to make the tip of the heart. Now we will do the other half of the heart. Make 3 half double crochet into the center hole. Push slightly the sticks to make room for rest of the stitches we have to make. Make 3 double crochet stitches into the center hole. Now make 3 chain stitch. Make a slip stitch into the center hole. Pull the short yarn tail to close the center hole. Crochet 45 chain stitches to make the bookmark tail. Cut the yarn with a short tail. Slightly pull the yarn tail to make sure it is tight. Pull the yarn tail and sew extra yarn. And here is our finished heart bookmark. Simple, neat, and beautiful. Now let's make a crochet flower bookmark. This design is perfect for beginners and looks lovely in any book. We'll start by creating a slip knot. No magic ring. If this is your first time, take it slow. You can pause and rewind anytime. Make 4 chain stitches. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. And make slip knot. Now make 9 single crochet stitches into the center hole. Slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Pull the short yarn tail to close the center hole. Make a chain stitch and cut the yarn. Now we are going to make the petals of the flower. Each petal is very easy. Once you make one, the rest will feel natural. Grab another yarn and make a slip knot. Pull the knot into any stitch. make 3 chain stitches. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet stitch. Now make 3 chain stitches. In the next stitch, make a slip stitch to complete the first petal. Pull the yarn to make tight. Now, we will just repeat the first petal to complete the rest of the petals with 3 chains. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Now we will crochet 45 chain stitches to make the bookmark tail. Cut and sew extra yarn. And here's our flower bookmark. Light, elegant, and handmade with love. These bookmarks are perfect for students, readers, teachers, or as a handmade gift. You can make them in different colors to match your books or journals. If you enjoy beginner crochet tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe for more easy patterns. Comment below, which one do you like more? Heart or flower? Thank you for crocheting with me today. See you in the next tutorial.